Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up a secure folder on Vivo Y29. If you're using Vivo Y29 and now you want to set up a secure folder on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Google Files app pre-installed on your phone. Just open it and here just look for save folder, select it, and here you just have to create your password or pattern as I have already created one, and here you'll get your own secure folder. You just have to move your private photos or videos here. So just go for videos, then select any video which you want to move here. Just keep long press on it, then select three dots in the top right corner, select move to save folder, and here enter your pattern or password or pin which you have created, and after that your video or photo will be moved to your save folder. You can easily access it here. So that's how you can easily set up a secure folder on your Vivo Y29. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.